my name is Irene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'll be sharing with you a rare HDB apartment, which is an executive apartment at Block 333 Tampines Street 32, just opposite the Tampines Mart. HDB has stopped building executive apartments in the year 2000, so this is definitely a rare unit that you should take a look. Let's go. Welcome to this beautiful home of an executive apartment at Block 333 Tampines Street 32. This unit is 148 square meters or 1593 square feet in size. 3 bedrooms, a balcony, a kitchen, and a huge living and dining space. The owner of the house has an eye for aesthetics. This unit has updated to an open concept kitchen as well as a wider living and dining space by knocking down the original study room. And over the years, the couple has updated the look and feel of the house. If you're looking for generous space in your home, this unit definitely meets your needs. The squarish layout also means that there won't be unused weird corners that go to waste. The balcony is another feature that people look out for in an executive apartment. You can enjoy your breakfast here while basking in the morning sun. Now let's zoom into the details of this unit. There is still an attractive 71 years of remaining lease. HDB phased out the building of executive apartments in the early 2000s, so owning one is definitely a rare opportunity. Executive apartments have certain features that you won't find in many other flat layouts. The main ones are the balconies, the study room, which can be easily reconfigured to other purpose, and not forgetting the large bedroom sizes that you may not be able to find these days in the later flat models. Block 333 is very close to Tampines Mart. Now, Tampines Mart offers a huge range of amenities, so it's like a mini town center with fast food joints, supermarket, coffee shops, clinics, wet market, and numerous childcare and enrichment schools. Speaking of convenience for your daily needs. So, if you're looking for the luxury of space, then this executive apartment at Block 333 Tampines Street 32 is your answer. You can drop by for a physical viewing with me. My name is Irene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. I'll be happy to show you around.